This morning we're heading to the Running Fox for breakfast. Been dying to try this. Being recommended by several family members and people who visited. Now, there is 4 running foxes, I think, 3 or 4, in Northumberland, and some of them are dog friendly. This one, the dogs can only sit outside, which is not a problem because it's a nice day. We passed it yesterday. It's got an outdoor area, looks really pretty. But the food's supposed to be out of this world. So let's get in and see what it's all about. Can she have that croissant?
Yeah. Do you want any ketchup or brown sauce with it?
No, thanks.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye. Spinning. You'll get that salt and pepper off that table, son, please.
So that was a little quick look around the Running Fox in Felton. Food was beautiful, no complaints whatsoever. Would definitely be popping back to this one or one of the other ones around Northumberland. Remember, if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.